Question number 6. What metrics are important to measure product performance? Total revenue, gross margin, net profit, number of purchases of products, customer conversion rate for this product, your monthly pipeline projection for 12 months ahead for this product, average cart value for this product, customer acquisition costs for this product when this product is involved, and monthly recurring revenue for this product. So you will need to have most of the metrics that we've spoken about just in the previous question on the product level. And on the top of that, you will need to track the product quality. You will need to track the amount of returns that you are getting on this product. On the return reason level, so you want to see how many returns came in totally, how many returns came because of the wrong sizing, because of the damaged product, because people did not like the fabric, because they say that the product looks differently than you have presented on the picture. Based on these results, you will be able to improve your product. If the sizing is wrong, you can go to the bottom of it and figure out why is the sizing wrong. Do you educate people in the wrong way about the sizing? Shall you change anything about the sizing? Does it fall small? You need to enlarge it, or other way around. If you see that they're sending it back because of the damaged product, you know exactly what part of the product needs to be fixed. If they do not like fabric, then you need to change fabric. So in order to see the performance of product, you have to track returns and all other metrics that we've been talking about in the last video.